Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy Korean chicken bulgogi using ground chicken. This recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner that's full of flavor. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing our marinade in a bowl. Combine soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, gochujang, minced garlic, grated ginger, and rice vinegar. Mix it together until it's well combined. Yeah, you can go ahead and dump that in there. I'm gonna get this thing off. And then 2 tablespoons of that. That's the measure for me. Right.
This one? Okay.
Yep.
Like a full?
Yep, 2 full ones, okay?
Okay. I don't know if it's full.
Nope, it's not. You can hold it over the edge too. That's good. Hold that one in.
Try some.
No, we're not having oatmeal right now. I'm making dinner. Stop. What? No. Oh, you got 2 in there?
Yep.
Okay. Wipe up the
dry.
oil.
Wait, it was oil?
Yep, that's sesame oil. That's sesame seeds.
I
Can you stir that up for me?
Yeah.
The recipe says to add some brown sugar too, so I'll grab that.
I might want the sauce in mine.
Oh, the sauce is going up? All of it? You're going to try it. Alright.
Okay. Onions.
Now take your ground chicken and add it to the marinade. Make sure the chicken is fully coated with the marinade and let it sit for at least 15 minutes to absorb all the wonderful flavors. You can also marinate this for up to an hour if you have the time. I have to get it all over the... That's probably good, but that looks good. Okay, stop. Yeah. Let me bring the trash to you. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once that's hot, add the marinated chicken. Cook the chicken, stirring frequently until it is fully cooked and nicely brown. This should take about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's let it sit for a second.
I see that bubble.
After the chicken is cooked, add the chopped onions, carrots, cabbage, and sesame seeds. Stir everything together and cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until the onions are soft and the flavors are well combined. Our Korean chicken bulgogi is ready to be served. Garnish with some chopped green onion and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish is perfect with steamed rice or wrapped in lettuce wraps for a low-carb option. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Korean chicken bulgogi using ground chicken. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to my channel for more delicious recipes. Leave a comment below if you try this recipe or if you have any questions. See you next time.